What up? What's up, y'all? Back at it again with another one. Some of y'all probably tired of hearing that by now. But I have something nice, something special to show you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you would already know by now. Got some new equipment. Hold on. Bam! Picked me up yesterday a Canon. I got the T3i. Looks good. The only thing about this camera is the lens. It's basically like a Chinese lens, but I'm going to fix that. So I don't know if I'm going to start using it yet. But I definitely am going to get another lens like ASAP soon so I can start using it. I'm upgrading all my footage, how my videos come out and everything. So you might got 2 more videos of the way this looks or how the way it's been looking. But yeah. So the only thing I got to work on now is this, what I'm saying before I even start videos, which is cool. I'm good with all that. For today's video, we're going to talk about this rear end diff. We're going to work on the rear end diff. Off camera, I'm going to do some stuff with my on this car. So some of it's going to be on, a lot of it's going to be on Instagram. So just in case you guys are wondering if I just only do this rear end diff and that's it. No, the rest will be on Instagram. So be like the little odds and ends. I'm trying to get everything back together so we can get everything primed. Primer date is actually, I'm setting it for next month. So next month primer date. If you already don't know, parts should be in between this week and next week. Once all parts come in, we're gonna go install this rear end diff, put it all together, put it back up beneath the car. Hey, we got a rolling chassis again, and we can start primer and painting. So that's the goal for next month. Primer, painting, maybe body kit might be in. I'm still saving up for that. I would have probably got it. I would have had definitely say yeah for next month, but I went on and brought the camera, so I needed better footage. Plus, I really want good footage for this painting that I'm gonna do. But enough of me rambling. Let me clean off my table. So as you can see, I have a 350Z diff. I had it earlier on in the channel, believe it or not, and I showed y'all a little bit of it, but I didn't really get into it. So there's no fluid in here as I speak right now, and it seems like this thing's coming out. So I'm going to head and crack open the plate, the backing plate. Make sure the little clamp thing's still in here. Make sure everything's still good. Ed, when I got this from him, he told me that this thing was welded. So I'm gonna find out and see if this thing's welded, and I'll inform y'all, show y'all. Okay. So let me show you what I did. Update. Took the cover off. We will be cleaning this up as of today. And this is what I got inside. So yes, it is welded. I see it now. Sorry, I didn't see it before, Ed, but now I see it. So you can see all in there where they welded all in here. Welded all that. Just to get the thing, turn at the same time. So I'm going to try it out. If it breaks, I know what it is. I just have to order something else for the 2-way. But I'm going to go ahead and clean this up. Probably put you guys on the time lapse. And go from there. I had to bring out extra light too. So yeah, look at all this. Definitely need to clean. Like the inside of the pumpkin don't look bad. Hold on, let me see. Yep, all that's still connecting. I should try to see if I got any backlash on here, but it ain't been stripped apart, so yeah. But them welds. Them welds. And let me go ahead and get started.
VGM. It's that damn music. Fuck you mean, nigga?
Trapaholics mixtapes. What, you ain't know? Yeah.
On the track, what?
Too damn fucking high, AK-47 in my lungs. Gotta get the drum, case you fuck niggas try to run. Yeah, cow with the drum, hella gas in my lungs. 40 cow with the drum, hella gas in my lungs. Bumming through your town, sold out shows, bet I shut it down. Better keep the peace, leave you to see these streets don't love you clowns. 40 cow with the drum, hella gas in my lungs. 40 cow with the drum, hella gas in my lungs. Glizzy in the dippy, catch me slipping, girl you tripping. Prefer me a Smith and Wesson, send me automatic weapons. R.I.P. I'm sending blessings. Try your luck like best on 7. See that pussy boy start sweating, acting tough like he a felon. That's
Went ahead and cleaned it up the best I could. Right? And I mean, as you can see, got the cover, you know, best way I could, clean it with some brake cleaner. Ran out of stuff for me to basically clean this off, you know, the spray 9 and the purple, power purple, so just use what I had. I mean, it's not going to be perfect because it'll probably be dirty again, but so I missed the most important thing to do this job, and I didn't pick none up. It's probably too late, so I'll probably do it sometime this week. So I'm going to have to get some gasket maker. I thought I had some, but I don't. Put it around this. Gonna let it dry for a little bit when I do get it. And slap it to this cover. Well, slap it on. Take the cover and put it on here. So I'm gonna put some on here and there. But since I don't have none, the next best thing that I'm just gonna do, hit it with some black paint, and just put the cover on it right now, so I won't get no paint inside here. And just hit it with some black paint. That's all I can do. So, put you on the timeline for that too.
shit I don't like when time to write, take a flight. You want beef, then it's on sight. Fuck the guns, I'm trying to fight. Only green, don't fuck a white. Used to pour the lean with Sprite, now just don't.
So yeah, it's been probably like 20 minutes. This is the second coat. It looks good. I don't know how this side looks because I didn't have it angled, but this side looks decent. So I'm gonna spin it around in a few minutes. I'm gonna let it sit for another 20 minutes, spinning it around. So while that's been going on, as you can see, I've been getting ready to sit and put everything back together, wiring and all that inside there. But like I said, that's gonna be for my Instagram followers. Probably outside from rain. But Instagram. I'm gonna try to do some wiring and stuff, because nobody had made a wiring video for the 240. I'm thinking about doing that. So nobody haven't done a wiring video. I might be the first to do it. I know it's just time consuming, but I think it's worth it. I shall see. So it's literally been, I don't know, probably like 45 minutes later. Did the back side of this. So I'm just gonna let my heater do its thing for the next hour or so, let it bake. And I'll probably do the backing plate off camera. So while that's been going on, I've been putting all this back together, as you can see. Hell of a difference. The clean, neat freak in me wants to get down there and clean this, all this stuff, which I will do. But right now I got to get that back together bolt that steering column up, and that should be good. I'm removing. Sad to say, I'm removing the e-brake cable. To sum it all up, I don't have the e-brake cable stuff, so I will probably have to get a hydro with the fluid, and I'll run that. What is that? And run that. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but right now I ain't gonna have no e-brake, so that'll be deleted for right now until I can find one for the rear. The dirt cheap, I'm on it. I'm buying it. No questions asked. But as of right now, no, that's not going on this one. Not for right now. I know it's not gonna be much fun without it trying to slide, but I shall. Maybe one of you homies can hook me up. Maybe one of y'all might find somebody that knows somebody selling Nissan 240 S13, or I would prefer 300ZX. Great kit. You know somebody selling it for dirt cheap, $50, $80, let me know. Hit me up in my DMs on Instagram. So on that note, your boy is gonna close out. Peace. Stay tuned for the next episode, which will be the station. I'm not even gonna tell you. Watch me on Instagram too, by the way.
Yeah, so fucking high wings on the back of me.